Okay, y'all. So I am now 20 and a half weeks pregnant. We just got our next bump box. So we're going to see what's inside. Okay, you deserve to be pampered. Let's see. Oh, look how cute. It is a little onesie. It says, "Hello, I'm new here." That's size 6 months. We got Glow 9 Organics foot soak with organic white grapefruit and lavender essential oils. We got moisturizing 2-in-1 body butter and coffee scrub coconut rum. Sounds good, coconut rum. And let's see. Birds and Bees tea, peaceful pregnancy tea, caffeine free, 100% organic. And looks like we got Face It makeup remover cloth. It's reusable makeup remover face cloth to cleanse and exfoliate. Just add water. Looks like this is a little pamper box. Once again, y'all, thanks for watching. I know that was pretty quick. The kids are home on quarantine right now, so we're trying to work through school and all that stuff. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click like, and enjoy the next one. Thank you so much.